2012 Toyota Vienza, 5.1% air. Now usually I do not get a factory charge with that much air in it. That's real rare. So this is a 2012 Toyota Venza. Front end collision, little bit of damage to the tube, and that's not leaking. Somebody will say, oh, that's leaking, it's damaged. Actually, it is holding very well. And so 5% air, so it's a good chance somebody has done the air conditioning on this with 5% air inside of it. I'm about to perform the recovery here. I just got my reading, so now I can take off my adapter for taking a gas sample for doing the refrigerant analyzing. And this is required in California. Bureau of Automotive Repair, all shops in California that do air conditioning must, with no exception, have a refrigerant identifier. And your paper or your printout, or like I do, is I take a picture of it and I put it in a PDF, and it goes into my invoice or my receipt for the customer. Document every vehicle that I touch gets this first. And so just another reason why shops in California, especially body shops, who are not getting paid enough by their insurance company to be compensated for their time and extra expense like this. Here's another $3,000. And before I can even recover, I have to perform this procedure first before I even get to hook these up and do a recovery. So add $3,000 off the money that you're not even already making doing air conditioning in a body shop, and then add this in there too on top of that, with one more procedure with guys who are not quite confident and know what they're doing, and you have too many guys touching. And if you hook this up wrong on certain vehicles, they could take in oil and refrigerant and ruin the machine, and that's not covered under warranty. And not to mention, for the YF refrigerant, it takes like an hour to do a recovery to 2 hours on cold days when you can't touch the vehicle and you can't warm it up, and it's in your shop doing a recovery. You'll notice it takes 2 to 3 hours, and that is not profitable. And the insurance companies are not paying you guys for that. And so basically, bend over, hand over some Benjis, and give them what they want. Let them do what they do with you very well. So you think about it. You're doing business with the insurance company, and they want you to do air conditioning and not pay you on top of it what little they're going to pay you. Yeah, you know where to tell them to go stuff it. All right, see you guys.